In this video, we will learn how to create a unique slide in PowerPoint. Watch the video till the end, so let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select text box, drag it, write S here. Select and change the font and increase font size, rotate slightly. Duplicate the text box, go to Format, select Flip Vertical and Flip Horizontal. From Rotate, adjust it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here. Click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it, send to back. Click on Outside, select both. Go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close the master view. Click on New Slide, select this title slide. Click icon to add picture. Select and insert it. Go to first slide, select this. Copy using Ctrl C. Go to second slide, paste here. Click on right button, go to Format Shape. Select color using eyedropper. Go to line, select no line and increase transparency. Duplicate using Ctrl Shift and reduce transparency. And also select background color. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select this, go to Animation tab, apply Wipe Animation. Go to Effect option, select from left. Also increase the duration size. Select this, apply Split Animation. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal Out. Select Start After Previous. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select Vertical In. Select this text box, apply Floating Animation. Select Start After Previous. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select Float Down. Also increase the duration size. And click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select Float Up. Now let's go to full screen. Look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.